Hey, it's Dr. A from Fit Father and Fit Mother. Today I have a time-efficient muscle building workout I'm gonna share with you. And this one's a little fun for me personally because I went through the old YouTube archives and we recorded this muscle building workout 6 years ago. And it is still so relevant today because many of us are busier than ever before. We wanna build muscle, but we need to get it in a time-efficient way. And this workout I'm gonna show you only needs a pair of dumbbells or kettlebells, and you can do it at home, whether you're traveling at a hotel or even in a gym. So we're gonna enjoy this workout video together in just a moment. I'm gonna show you the entire routine, demonstrating all the form. And this is also fun because you get to see me from 6 years ago when I started this YouTube channel and all this great content. So enjoy today's video. Let's get into the muscle building workout and I'll see you in the gym.
All right, so the key to getting a really time-efficient muscle building workout is to leverage the power of supersets. And supersets are where we pair two exercises that are slightly different from each other and work different muscle groups, ideally antagonistic muscle groups like pairing chest with back or biceps with triceps. So that way we're getting active recovery on one muscle while we're working the other one. We can get more sets done in less time. That's the key to a time-efficient muscle building workout. So this workout, 35-minute muscle builder, has a pair of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 supersets that's gonna work your entire body, from your legs, your shoulders, chest, back, arms, everything. So let's dive on in. You're gonna see me demo this exact set. We're gonna start with A1, A2. Essentially how this workout works is with A1, A2 superset, you're gonna do a set of dumbbell jump squats, and then you're immediately gonna go to a set of dumbbell deadlifts, and then you're gonna rest for about 45 seconds. Go back to the jump squats, immediately to deadlifts. Rest 45 seconds. Back to jump squats, deadlifts, boom. You're done with all 3 sets there. We'll move on to the next pairing. We're gonna proceed in that fashion all the way through the workout. Rest is gonna be short, and that way you're gonna get a great workout in less time. Let's get into the jump squats. Let's dive on in. So I got my dumbbells. We're all set up to do those dumbbell jump squats. So really very simple. Dumbbells are at the sides, and the thing I like about jump squats is that you don't need a lot of equipment. You can just use a pair of dumbbells to get a great leg workout. Now, the key that people need to understand for muscle building is that it's not just heavy weights that builds muscle, it's also explosive contractions. So the cool thing about jump squats is we can really get an explosive contraction and work those fast twitch muscle fibers without needing a ton of weight. So very simply what we're gonna do is we're gonna bend down, nice squat right here at the bottom, explode up, right back down. Explode. Just like that. We'll do 6 of 8 to those, and immediately we're gonna proceed with our superset to those dumbbell stiff deadlifts. So dumbbells are right in front, back is strong, shifting the hips back, coming down, good stretch, explosive on up, squeezing the glutes. Down, pause for a second at the bottom, explode on up, squeeze the glutes. Down, pause, right on up. 12 reps, 8 to 12 reps there. Now, we would repeat after doing one pairing. I would rest for 45 seconds before going on to the next continuous superset pair. So I've done all 3 sets of the jump squats, dumbbell stiff deads. Then we're gonna move on to our next pairing. Let's go set that up. All right, so the next superset pairing we're gonna do is a dumbbell flat bench with a dumbbell row. So very simply, I have a flat bench set up. I got my dumbbells, I kick them back right here. My feet are firmly planted, squeezing the dumbbells hard, pressing up, dumbbells touch, come right on down, pause, drive right on up, dumbbells touch, come right on down. You're gonna wanna pick a weight that you can do for 8 to 12 reps. I'm using a lightweight for demo purposes, but you probably may wanna go heavier for this. So after I've done 12 reps, dumbbells come down, roll on up. I'm gonna come right down here to my rows. So bend over dumbbell row, my back is flat, dumbbells are hanging, squeezing my back, rowing up, pause, right on down. Up, pause, right on down. Right here. And this is one of the best back exercises possible. So we just worked the chest when we were doing the dumbbell bench. Now we're working the opposite muscles. Those lats, rhomboids, spinal erectors, just like this. Finish my set. And then I rest for about 45 seconds before beginning my next pairing of the dumbbell bench with dumbbell row. Complete 3 sets, then we're gonna move on to our next pairing. Let's set that up right now. All right, so our next pairing is also gonna work a combination of our chest and our back, but we're gonna shift the emphasis on a different part of the pec with an incline dumbbell bench, and we're gonna do some rear delt flies. It's gonna be really useful for hitting the back of your shoulders and your rear delts. So along with the flat dumbbell bench, what we're gonna do is kick those dumbbells back, plant those feet hard, squeeze those shoulder blades, press up, good strong base, right on down, pause, come right on up. Just like this. Squeeze, good stretch, right on up, right on down. Up, down. So we're gonna do 8 to 12 reps. We're gonna roll up here and we're gonna switch dumbbells because we're gonna need to use a lighter weight for those rear delt flies. So I have a lighter pair of dumbbells here. We're gonna pop right out in front, just like this, squeezing those dumbbells, coming out, pause, right on down. And what I'm doing here is really squeezing my back, squeezing those shoulder blades together, pausing at the top for a second. All right, just like this. What you don't want to do is round forward too much. You want to keep that nice flat spine, just like this. We're gonna do, I like to do this a little lighter and a little on the higher rep range, around 12 reps. Done. After that, we are going to rest for about 45 seconds, and then we're gonna move right on to our next superset pairing. Let's set it up. So our next pairing is gonna be a little more shoulder and upper back specific. We're gonna do a standing dumbbell shoulder press superset with some shrugs. So I have my dumbbells here to start shoulder press. I'm gonna kick the dumbbells up right here. I'm gonna keep a tight core, open them up, press overhead, right here. So the key with this, very challenging on your core. I don't want you leaning back. I want that low back nice and tight. Push right ahead, pause, right on down. Here, right on down. Good, up, pause, right on down. Up, down. One of those 8 to 12 reps, immediately to shrugs. We're gonna do these higher rep. So around that 15 to 20 rep range. What I like to do is lean forward slightly and get those dumbbells, squeeze them hard, shrug up. Pause for a sec, come right on down. Squeeze that upper back, keep that core tight. I feel like leaning forward for me helps me engage and contract my traps more than if I'm just up and down like this. It's a slight lean, and it's a nice form point, but position your body based on your biomechanics, however you can really feel your traps. So 15 reps, done. We're gonna rest for about 45 seconds. We're gonna repeat that pairing 2 more times before going to our arm finisher. Let's set that up. All right, so our next superset is gonna be our finisher. It's gonna be an arm finisher. We're gonna superset standing dumbbell biceps curls with some lying skull crushers with the dumbbells. So I have my dumbbells here. I like to do these 2 arms at a time. So tight arms, squeeze, come up, hold, come right on down. Squeeze those dumbbells, come up, twist that pinky out at the top, squeeze hard, right on down. Do these in the 12, around the 12 rep range is good. There's some new research showing that, curling and for arm work at higher reps can be very beneficial for muscle building. So we'll do these around that 12 rep range. And once we're done, we're gonna pop right on down. We're gonna grab our other dumbbells for the skull crushers, which will probably be a little lighter than whatever you're curling. We're gonna roll back. Dumbbells are up, just like this, squeezing, good tight abs. We're gonna bring them down just like this. Pause, come right on up. This is like it's like a traditional skull crusher with an easy bar, except we're using dumbbells, which puts a little more tension on the triceps because you have to control each dumbbell individually. Again, we don't use that 12 to 15 rep range. And when we're done, we are going to rest for 45 seconds. And then we're gonna do 2 more sets of this final superset, and then we are done with our 35-minute full body strength workout. So I hope you found this valuable and you learned a lot in this video. I'm really excited to have you try this. And if you want, post any comments and questions you may have on this workout. Me and my team of men's health experts are here to answer all your questions. And just really grateful you found this video. If you like this, I wanna invite you to subscribe to the Fit Father Project YouTube channel. We post tons of new workouts, but also stuff on nutrition, proper meal plans, supplements, everything you need to know to stay strong and permanently healthy for your family, because that's what we do here at the Fit Father Project. Also, check out some of our other amazing videos and featured playlists. You can click those and check out some other stuff that I think you might like. Subscribe, hit thumbs up, and I'll talk to you soon, my friend.